How to send a PDF file as a link through your phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send a PDF as a link. Now to do so is quite simple, however you'll need to have the app, this Google Drive. Head into your Play Store or App Store. On most of the Android phones, this app is already available or pre-installed on your device. Simply open it up and log into your account here. And then what you want to do is upload the PDF file here. First, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you'll be able to head into your folder and then create a new folder, and you'll be able to add PDF file here. Once you add it, what you want to do is tap on the three dots option beside the PDF file. You can see I have one here, BPin Solutions, and tap on the three dots there. Then what you want to do is tap on copy link option. Once you do this, you can see the link has been copied. Now you can head into any platform that you want to share. I'll just head into WhatsApp, and here you can type in just paste the link that you just copied and send it, and this way you can send PDF as a link. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.